Good evening or good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the Saturday live stream, 1 p.m. Eastern time. And I know I do not get a chance to do these that often. So I want to appreciate all you guys that just kind of join on the whim and join quickly as I do these streams here, kind of on the go. All right, I really do appreciate you guys showing up, and let's see some action in the chat. Where are you guys at? Got some stragglers coming in, so we'll just wait here just a couple seconds, couple minutes. Yeah. Longs should be, well, we're going to talk about a couple different coins right now that I think are in nice setups. How you doing, Ace? Thanks for showing up. Wayfair. We'll check it out here in a second. I wanted to cover a couple different cryptos here. What's up, Vance? What's going on, buddy? All right, so I'm looking at one setup here. Thanks, man. I wanted to look at a setup here on SXP. Okay, in a nice falling wedge structure. We didn't get that full 1272 fib extension retracement, but we did get about a 110% retracement. So, but the whole market looks like it's shifting back to the upside. Well, the S&P obviously on Friday in a falling wedge, and obviously that's gonna the crypto market is obviously reacting to that as well, right? So I wanted to just give you guys a quick update here on some altcoins we might see some action over the weekend. So I wanted to cover SXP real quick. This is actually a setup that I'm actually in. I think I did post this as a trade setup for the STP community here, for the alert service community. Here's the trade post last night. I was looking at it. Yeah, I gave a range 125 to 135 entry. We're looking at that major breakout area of $1.45 if we get the break, right? So we're actually coming real close to the supply line right now on this asset, and I think like this, if this really is what I'm seeing here on this chart, we will get a breakout. And we're looking like right around this. Actually, 135 is the breakout area. I stand corrected here, but we had 1-2 touches here, and looks like we're about to try to rally out of here right now as we're on stream here. And we're looking at this first area up here, this 145 area as a first take profit. I'd expect once we do get this breakout that we maybe come back to back test it, okay, and then we can kind of run up again and get some of those measured move targets up here around this 50% area, around this $2.10 area. I'd say would be the measured move for this falling wedge. Okay, and I'm gonna go to Bitcoin real quick. I know a lot of you guys are trading Bitcoin and wondering what's happening with Bitcoin. So I had this drawn out a while ago. I don't know if it's going to play out or if it really obviously depends on what the stock market does. In conjunction with the technicals, right? So we're gonna look at this real quick. I had this kind of drawn out where we come back, fill the gap, and then go. We're still, guys, we're still out on this bull pennant, man. All right, so don't get all bearish. Don't get all, oh, we're going back down to 3K. No, man, we got all these support levels to break through before we go back down that far. Okay. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys aren't part of the STP YouTube channel. We really do encourage everyone to hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell. Make sure you guys get all of our updates here at Swing Trade Pros. We are working on a couple different indicators for you guys. We really do appreciate all the likes and comments and really just staying engaged and hanging out with us, all right? So, back to Bitcoin here. Let me get rid of this line. You guys probably can't really see what's happening here. So if we can get back above this heart line, okay, this channel, we can close above 10.8, okay? Or even, you know, yeah, I'd say if we can close above 10.8 today, we can close above this red line right here, and we use this as a support to continue higher. This could be something. This could be something, okay? This could be something that we do. That, like, we did only do about a 23 or 24% retrace, okay? If that's all we're doing, man, then this market is stupidly bullish, okay? Because typically we'll get retraces 38.2%, 50%, 61.8%, okay? These are common areas for retraces, all right? If we're really in a strong bull market, then you know, the 23.6% is the most shallowest retrace you can get. Okay. Do I think the blood is over? Could be over. We did put in this bottom here. Okay. This is technically an Adam and Eve double bottom, all right? Technically Adam and Eve double bottom on Bitcoin right now on the daily. I'm gonna look at Wayfair real quick, unless you guys got something else. Wayfair looks good, man. Sure, I'll definitely take a look at Apple. I think I called out Apple earlier this week. The Wayfair holding this nice uptrending slope here. Way back from in May, okay? So we got to break this neckline on Wayfair, this 310 area. Okay, this is like the immediate resistance area that I see. You know, manufactured resistance created back here in the beginning of September. All right, so far you're just making lower highs, but you are still making higher lows. Okay, don't ignore that. The higher lows are still there. All right, MACD 4 hour is showing us some divergence. We are seeing some divergence here. Okay. Are we seeing it on the RSI? Not really. We're not really showing on any RSI bullish divergence here. So again, you want to break this neckline here around that 310, 308, 50 area. Yep, right at that 307-ish. Okay. Ace, I hope that's helpful, man. If not, if you can't get back above this 308 area, you could maybe take a short up here, okay? Because if we double top, we can definitely come back down to test these supports, okay? I'll look at Apple, sure. Well, Apple looks like it's in a falling wedge. We ended the week with a bullish candle, okay? and we're showing that RSI divergence here on the weekly. This is very strong, guys. This is very strong. And on the daily, you can see that we're kind of curling around. We're definitely showing this hidden bullish divergence here on the daily chart. Okay. Now, it looks like it broke out on Friday. All right, so falling wedge stuff for sure here on Apple. And it's confirmed because we are above the 110 area. Okay, now we could get a back test come Monday, a back test. All right, a bit of a back test, and then another rip up, or we could just keep ripping up because. Let's take a look at our oscillators here. We're gonna squeeze on the 4-hour. We just entered bullish territory. Okay, so this could just go, and I'm gonna give a target on this wedge. You know, up to the 50% retrace area, 119.72. We get above that. You know, we're looking at 125. We get above that. You know, all the way back up to the all-time highs for sure, right? So. That's Apple, all right. It looks good. It looks good right now. Unless something drastic happens. Take a look at Yearn. This thing just doesn't stop, right? Nice double bottom here. All right, so Yearn, get up to this heartline area here. I'd say that's a major resistance. We're actually at one. Thanks, man. Tesla. Tesla also looking good, okay? I think I called Tesla out on yesterday too. Tesla going parabolic, man. I mean, low, higher low, okay. Now this is if the stock market continues higher, okay? But you're looking at this neckline right here on Tesla. You want to see us get above this 462 area. If we can get back above 462, man, we're going to new all-time highs. Like, it's not even a question. Tesla for sure going back to all-time highs. We get above that area. Yeah, Wi-Fi I just kind of covered briefly. Hey Ace, BZRX, remember this one? Still out of the wedge. Gotta redraw this thing. But it's still in a wedge structure, man. Pretty steep. Okay. CRV is another one in a nice wedge, I think. More like just following channel, I guess, but this thing's beat down, man. CRO, yeah, I can take a look at it. Actually, this broke out. This broke a supply line here, guys. CRV. So first major target, $1.80, really, okay? On this, if this is an actual breakout and swing back to the upside, which looks like it could be, okay? With your 4-hour RSI making the highest levels it's seen since September. And showing that 4-hour RSI bullish divergence. This definitely going to get back up to $1.82, probably pretty quickly, I would assume. CRO. My keyboard just died. What the hell? Hang on a second, guys. My keyboard just went. That's so weird. All right, so CRO. CRO actually looks pretty good. You're showing daily RSI, bullish divergence on the RSI, okay? And you're showing it here on the daily as well, on the MACD. Looks like impending price action back to the upside here, guys, for CRO. Now this pattern could take some time to mature, okay? This is for sure a flag, man. For sure a flag. Okay? Yeah, I mean, I could see this coming maybe back down to like 13-ish. If it fails to break here, you know? Something like that. Here's Algorand. This one is one that I've been watching. All right. Like it's breaking out right now, actually. Another falling wedge pattern, okay, guys? On this. We need to get back above this 34-cent area to really confirm that this is the local bottom, all right? But if we do that, we're looking at... Here, I'll just throw these on. We're looking at a move to about 49 cents, 50 cents on this pattern, okay? Daily all the way at the bottom here, right? And we just crossed up on the daily MACD. SXP breaking out. Confirm breakout, guys. We're about to do it right now. You guys got anything else for me today? I just wanted to get you guys going with a quick stream today. I know there's been a lot of downside price action, people getting panicked, and all that fun stuff that goes along with emotions in trading, right? So I'm here, man. I'm here. I'm preaching. OMG. Check it out. OMG's out. Back test on OMG right now. Great time for an entry right here, guys, on OMG. That's looking pretty good on the RSI too. Let's go back to SXP. This thing is actually breaking out right now. I was talking to you guys about this before, and here it goes, man. We just broke the supply line. and broke that wick, man. This thing is gone. What else you guys got, man? On this Saturday afternoon, this beautiful Saturday afternoon here. $160, obviously the real resistance here on SXP. There was nothing here. If you look left, there's really, I mean, these were, I guess this might act as initial resistance, but I don't really consider this to be resistance. It's like this where it got listed since inception, right? So manufactured resistance back from July. So not really anything to be too concerned about, I would say. Nice little inverse head and shoulders within a falling wedge. This is looking nice, man. This is looking real nice. IOTA. This looks like a major bear flag, right? But if we pivot here, we make a higher low, you know, a partial decline, and then a big move back to the upside. Now, one could argue IOTA did break out here on this mini wedge, okay? If this is the breakout area, then we're looking at getting back above this 27 cents area, and we're looking at a measured move target to about 33 cents, okay? You guys got anything else for me today? This was another one I was looking at, SRM. So it broke out. It's now back testing the wedge. Let's look at ETH real quick. So we're back above the 20 EMA on the 4-hour. All right. See, we can get back above that on the daily. Then we're really talking about a big move back up. But I think we get rejected here, possibly. Okay. Possible that we get rejected there. We are showing that divergence, though, on the daily oscillator here. We are showing it. See if we can pop back above it. All right. If that's all we got for this evening or this afternoon, well, make sure you guys stay tuned for tomorrow's stream. Live at 8 p.m. Eastern Time for the daily, weekly candle close on Bitcoin, and the futures market's open at 6. So we'll be taking a look at the futures market as well once they come back open. Okay, I'm gonna just maybe scroll through a couple more cryptos here before I end the stream today. If you guys have any other tickers you guys would like me to cover here, did I already look at Link? No, I didn't look at Link, but I did call Link out, man. Vance, I think you are part of the alert service, I believe, right? I did call it back down here around this $8 area. I called it out going about to $10, $10.25, $10.50, I think was the measured move. It exceeded a little bit. Obviously, it's Chainlink, right? So I think, what did I do? What did I call out on that? I think I did call that out. Here it is. Yeah, 830 to 850 entry. So somewhere on this candle, around this candle. Okay. Got the breakout of the channel, back testing now this area as support, and looks like this definitely looks like it's headed back to the upside, man. Looking good. It's looking really good. Go back to SXP. This is in a breakout as we speak. So nothing like catching live breakouts on stream, right? So you guys can see we've pierced the supply line. Uniswap was another one that I was looking at. This is a new coin. Obviously, not too much going on this chart, but looks like it broke out of this little wedge structure and it's just kind of consolidating up here, holding this this area. You know, you got your horizontal resistance right here. You break that neckline, man, there's really not much up here. This is another one to look out for. I think it's definitely going to make another move back to the upside. Or it's certainly trying to, anyway. Right. If it holds this upsloping trend line, then it should be good to go. All right, guys, I don't want to waste any more of your precious time here on Saturday. Unless you guys have something else you guys want me to cover real quick here within the next minute or two, couple minutes. We'll catch you guys Sunday, 8 p.m. Eastern. for the live stream tomorrow, okay? Giving you guys one more minute here. Well, all right, guys. You guys have nothing else for me to look at. Make sure you guys hit that like button if you guys haven't done so already. Hit that subscribe button if you guys haven't done so. Or hit that little bell if you guys get all of our notifications here at Swing Trade Pros. And we will catch you guys tomorrow, 8 p.m. Eastern Time, for the weekly and daily Bitcoin candle close. Until then, catch you guys tomorrow.